Hi, it's Simon at Zone CCTV. This is a short video to demonstrate some of the features of the advanced CCTV systems that we supply and install. We install these for both homes and commercial properties throughout Yorkshire. This camera has an inbuilt speaker and strobe light. It can be triggered when the camera detects a human being or vehicle in a specified area. This certainly puts people on notice that they've been detected and they're being recorded.
Welcome. Please notice that the area is under surveillance.
And the number of times it can repeat the message can be set with the system. So if we walk away from it now, and then we walk back up to it.
Welcome. Please notice that the area is under surveillance. Welcome. Please notice that the area is under surveillance. Welcome. Please notice that the area is under surveillance.
You can also have a two-way conversation with somebody in front of the camera from your mobile phone.
Hi Simon, cameras, but can you leave the property now please?
Using high-spec cameras installed with the correct full copper gigabit cable and network video recorders with really large processors, it gives us the ability to detect vehicles and humans from up to 80 metres away. We install these systems on commercial properties, farms or homes with large gardens to give the owners notifications when people are on their property. Here you can see me walking around the customer's back garden. The cameras allow multiple detection points. For this example, we have used intrusion zones and tripwires to trigger the strobe light on the camera and also send notifications to the customer's mobile phone. The strobe light or automated message can be scheduled. For example, it will only be activated between 9 o'clock till 6 o'clock in the morning. Here is the front garden. You don't need as many detection points as this, but for the purpose of this video, we have added a couple more. Nobody will be able to get to that customer's front door without alerting the customer, triggering the strobe light or the automated warning message. The customer will get accurate notifications sent to his mobile phone with the human detection software filtering out the majority of false notifications, and also the ability to have a two-way conversation with anyone on his driveway from anywhere in the world. The cameras have got an inbuilt microphone, so you can hear me whistling.
Welcome. Please notice that the area is under surveillance.
Once a person is detected, the mobile phones will receive a notification. You will then have the option to play back the event or go straight into live view. Some of the cameras in our range produce a stunning colour picture at night time, rather than the standard black and white picture you get with infrared. Feel free to call us anytime to book in a site survey or if you'd like some advice.